Hello students, I have given you the assignments to solve. Some of you are facing the problem in assignment question. So let's discuss today the solution of the assignment questions. Right? The question is given: a project has following activities and other characteristics. There are A to I activities are given. In the second column, immediate predecessor activity are given. And time estimate in days are given: most optimistic, most likely, and most pessimistic. As we have already discussed, the basic difference between CPM and PERT is in CPM the time is deterministic, that is fixed, whereas in PERT the time is based on the probabilistic basis. Here we will find out the expected time based on the 3 times given. Right. So there are the 2 parts and one more is part is left here. The project of it is given in your assignment as well, right? So I'm not writing. First part is construct an arrow diagram for this project. पहले हमको इसका एक arrow diagram draw करना है. So we will start from the A. As there is no preceding activity before A, we will connect it through the arrow first, that is to A. Then B and C. A is the preceding activity of the activity B and C. We will connect the B and C. This is, and here it is 1, 2, 3 B, and this is 4. This is C, right? B is the preceding activity of D and E, right? D and E. We will connect it D and E. This is here D and E. All right, E. So this is 5th and this is 6th. Now next is C is the preceding activity of F. तो C के complete होने के बाद क्या होता है F, but D and F are meeting at a point, तो we will connect it at the here. This is known as the activity F, right? The next is E is the preceding activity of G, and G and H are meeting at the same point, so we will connect another activity. This is our this number 7. This is the activity G and D and F. D कहाँ से आता है हमारा F से. This is our activity F, and G and H are the, this one is the H. G and H are the preceding activity of I. Next is the I. Number 8. Right, this is first part is complete. Now we have to find out here the critical path and compute the expected completion time. So before finding the completion time, we will write the activity is given. Activity 1 से 2. Next is 2 to 3. B 2 to 3. C 2 to 4. D 3 to 6. E 3 to 5. F 4 to 6. G 5 to 7. H 6 to 7, and I 7 to 8. Now we will find the expected time by the 3 expected time. TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. So this is 4 plus 4 6 24 plus 8 divided by 6. If you solve, this will be equal to 6. Similarly, we will calculate all these. This will be equal to 8, 8, 20, 18, 10, 8, 2 and 7. Now we will find sigma standard deviation by the formula pessimistic time minus optimistic time divided by 6. TP minus TO upon 6, that is 8 minus 4 upon 6. It will be equal to 4 upon 6, that is equal to 0.67. Similarly, we will calculate and it will be as follows: 1.66, 1.34, 1.67, 2.67, 1.34, 1.34, 0.34, 0.34. Next we have to find out here variance is standard deviation का whole square. We will make it a square. It will be equal to 0.44, 2.75, 1.79, 2.78, 7.12, 1.79, 0.11, 0.11, and the sum is 18.68. and the sum of the variance is equal to 18.68. Now we have to find out here expected start time and latest finish time here. So we will start from this E1, earliest start time. When we will start, the earliest time is equal to 0. Next we have to find out E2. E2 is E1 plus Tij. E1 में अगर हम Tij, this is given here 6, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Next is E3. E3 is E2 plus Tij, 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Next come E4. E4 is E2 plus T24. 6 plus 24 में कितना टाइम लगता है, that is equal to 8. तो 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. E5 is equal to E3 plus T325. 14 plus 325 time is equal to 18. We will 14 plus 18, that is equal to 32. Similarly, E6 is equal to 34. E7 is equal to 40 and E8 is equal to 40 plus, here it is the time is we can write also 6, 2 to 3, that is equal to 8, 2 to 4 is 8, 3 to 6 is equal to 20, 4 to 3 to 5 is equal to 18, 4 to 6 is equal to 10, 5 to 7 is equal to 8, 6 to 7 is 2 and 7 to 8 is 7. So 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. Now we will find out latest finish time. L8 is equal to E8 is equal to 47. L7, in backward pass calculation we will subtract the corresponding activity time. 47 minus 7 is 40. Then come L6. L6 is equal to 38. L5 is equal to 32. L4 is equal to 28. L3 is equal to 14. L2 is equal to 6 and L1, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Now the critical activity, what is the critical events are where Li is equal to Ei. So E1 is equal to L0, E3 is equal to L3. We will represent it by the double arrow. Next is E5. Next is E7 is L7 and E8 is L8. This is, so here the critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 and 7 to 8. And the expected time in completing the project is equal to 47 days. Right. So now the second part is complete. We will start the third part here. Third part is, I will continue this on the next. Third part is the project, the probability, project schedule time is given in question. TS is equal to 55 days. So we have to find out what is the probability that project schedule will be completed in 55 days. So probability is Z is less than equal to TS minus TE divided by standard deviation, right? So probability Z is less than expected time is, we have calculated just 47 divided by sigma is equal to here 18.68 and sigma square standard deviation ka square, that is equal to 4.32. So probability is Z is less than equal to 1.85. If we will find out the value of 1.55 in a standard normal distribution table, that will be equal to 0.5 plus 0.4678. It is equal to 0.9678. So there are 96% chances that the project will be completed in 55 days. Thank you. Try to do, and if there is any query, please ask me. Thank you.